I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to withdraw money from your Affirm account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your funds. Step 2. Navigate to your balance. Once logged in, locate the balance section on the main dashboard. This will show you the amount available for withdrawal. Step 3. Select Withdraw option. Tap on the Withdraw button, usually found near your balance. This will take you to the withdrawal options available. Step 4. Choose Withdrawal method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Affirm link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the withdrawal is processed. Sometimes, it may take a few days for the funds to appear in your bank account, so don't worry if it is not instant. I hope this guide helps you withdraw your funds easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.